This video is on geometric proof. Now, I'd like you to try this question first, and then I will show how I would answer it if it was an exam question, and then you can evaluate your answer after that. So pause the video now and then try this question. Okay, so we have in the diagram, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. It's always helpful when you read a sentence to look at what the sentence is talking about. So we have PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. XPY is a tangent to the circle. So this line here is a tangent to the circle. And I need to prove that y is equal to x. So I'm going to start by writing some angles here maybe, but then I'd need to write these again here when I'm writing my answer. So let's do that. So I can see that this y here would equal to this angle there because of the alternate segment theorem. So this angle here, I'll mark that, is equal to y. Also I can see that the x here will be equal to this angle there. So I can say that this is x. And for the same reason, it's the alternate segment theorem. And then I can see that this angle here and this angle, they will add up to 180 because opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral will add up to 180. So now I think I'm ready to start answering my question, because I can see that if I have this angle, then I have angles in a triangle add up to 180, or I can say angles on a straight line add up to 180. So let's start now. So the first thing I said was that this is y because of the alternate segment theorem. So let's write that down. So angle SPY, so angle SPY, angle SPY is equal to small y, and the reason is alternate segment theorem. Okay. And then I did say this one as well, but I'm not going to use this one actually. I'm just going to use this angle and that angle and say that angles on a straight line add up to 180. I'll make an equation and then see where that takes me. So this angle here, angle QPS plus 2x should equal to 180. So let's write that down. So angle QPS plus 2x is equal to 180, and the reason for that is opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180 degrees. Yeah. So this also means that angle QPS must be 180 take away 2x. But this time I'm just going to write QPS because I've said angle QPS already. So QPS is equal to 180 minus 2x. Okay, now we said that we're going to make an equation and say that angles on a straight line add up to 180. So this angle, and this angle should add up to 180. So let's write that down. So I'm going to say x, angle QPS, and angle SPY should add up to 180. And the reason is angles on a straight line add up to 180. So let's just keep it there. So x plus QPS plus SPY should equal to 180. And this is because angles on a straight line add to 180. Okay, so I have an equation now. Now I can substitute values for QPS. So QPS is 180 minus 2x, and SPY is equal to y. So I'm just going to substitute those values. So I'm going to have x plus, so QPS is 180 minus 2x. So I'll just write that. 180 minus 2x. I'll put that in brackets because I'm substituting. And angle SPY is equal to y. So plus y, and I'll put that in brackets as well because I substituted there, equals to 180. Now I'm just going to write this again without the brackets. So I'm going to say x plus 180. Now if I'm plussing 180 minus 2x, that means I'll get plus 180 and minus 2x. So I'm going to get minus 2x, and then plus y is equal to 180. Okay, so now I'm just going to simplify it a little bit. So the x and the minus 2x will make minus x. So I'll have minus x plus 180 plus y is equal to 180. Now if I take away 180 from both sides, I'll get minus x. So minus x plus y is equal to 0. And now if I add x to this side and add x to this side, I will get y is equal to x. And this is what we were looking for. So we needed to prove that y is equal to x, and that's what we have. We have y is equal to x here. And these are the rules that we used to make our argument first, and then we just used some algebra and rearranged it to show that y is equal to x. Now I'd like you to think about your answer first, and then think about how you did it well and what you can do better next time. So write some bullet points about what you did well and what you can do better next time. So do that and bring that to the lesson.